Hey guys, happy holidays and welcome back to another video. This is a kind of important video depending on what kind of situation you're in. Some of you guys probably received the phone that you've been waiting on for the entire year finally, and now you're probably looking for some kind of protection for this so it can last longer for you. And you definitely don't want to have something like this that can crack at some point in time as well. If you're in that situation, your boy got you covered. So basically it's claiming to be the #1 screen protector. It does have 3 times the shatter protection as well, and it's by Invisible Shield. That company is very famous into making these kind of things. Before we get started though, the link of this product will be down in the description. Make sure you check them out as well. Let's get started with the unboxing now. The packaging looks much better for the price. Let's see what we have inside. We have the template, dust remover, cleaner, registration info for the damage coverage, microfiber, and this is the cover. Let me clean everything up. Okay, let's take the old one off first. This one is actually a non-bendable one. And this is how flexible is the new one. Before I continue, if you guys dig this cover, it's by my friends at Case app. If you want it, there's a 20% off discount code in the description. Anyways, let's move on. I would highly suggest that you guys use this template to put it on, but I'm just too cool for that. First, you clean the screen and then peel off one side of the cover and simply put it on. Then use a credit card or your fingers to take the bubbles out. And then peel the top sticker off the protector. And you're done. That's it for today. Before you guys go though, I would highly appreciate the time that you've taken to watch my video. And if you're subscribed, thank you so much. If you haven't done so, please hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content like this. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.